This video we are going to learn how to make 2024 recap video using Filmora mobile. So before starting the video, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14. So here is our Wondershare Filmora mobile. First of all, click on the new project and select your images. After selecting the images, just simply click on the import button. It will take some time to importing your videos. Now our images has been added. Just simply click on the center button to add the transition. And in the transition tab, you have many options like basic transitions, default transition, glitch transitions, zoom transitions. Just simply go with the cinematic light transition. Simply click on the apply to all. It will apply my transitions to all of my clips. Now simply click on add opening, and in the opening just simply select your favorite background. So I just simply go with this one. Just simply click on add text and add your text. Now simply click on the animation button and animate your text. Adjust the footage according to your preference like this. Now it's time to add the music. Just simply click on the add music. You can also search the music according to your preference. So I just simply go with the new boy music. Now my music has been added to my video like this. You can also add the ending. Select your favorite ending background and click on import button. Now your video is ready to export. I just simply play the video first. I hope this video really helped you. If this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.